Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Form on mobile Google Forms tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Google Forms, and then you can go into your browser and go to forms.google.com and log in with your Google account so that you would be able to create a form right here. So let's get started. So the first thing is we would need to provide our title. So let's say this is a quiz, so we're gonna go put quiz right here. And by the way, you can make it bold if you want. So tap on the bold button right there, and let's say this is number quiz number one right here, and then you can also do the same thing for your description. So you can just type whatever you want right here. And then the next one is the question. So now you can provide your question. You can also make this bold, italic, and underlined. You can also do that. Let's say we're just gonna go for what is your name, maybe something like that. And then from here you can also add an image. As you can see at the right, there is an image button, so you can also insert image right here, and then you can choose the answer that you would want to receive. So I suggest that you experiment with this one so that you would know which one is the best one for you. And then you can add the choices right here. So let's say one, this is choice number one, add another one, then you can go for two, and then add another one, you could go for three, and so on right there. So yeah, that is basically how simple it is. So depending on your choices, there would be different options right there. And now let's go back. And then the next one is you have the buttons right here. So you can always add more questions by tapping the plus button at the bottom right here. So as you can see, when you tap on this one, there would be added more questions right there. And then the next button right there is that you can actually import a form from your Google Drive right here if you have something in previews that you would like to import here into your form, so that you don't have to manually put it right here. So you can also do that. And you can also go for text right here. So this one is text only, it doesn't have a question. And then the next one is you can add an image. And then the next one is you can add a video right here of YouTube. So you can also do that. And then the next one is you can add a section right here if needed. So you can always add more. So that is basically it for that. And then the next one is for the responses. So from here, this is basically where you would see all the responses from your participants. Nothing complicated right here. So make sure that you are accepting responses right here to enable this so that you would receive one. And then the next thing is the settings. So this is where you can customize the settings of your Google Form. So you can make this a quiz so that there will be a pointing or scoring system. And then the next one is you can go for the responses. You can collect the email addresses of your participants right here, and so on. You can even allow them to edit the response after they have submitted it to you, or you can just limit it to one response per Google account. And then the next thing is you have your presentation. You can show the progress bar. You can shuffle the question order and so on right here. So this is where you would be customizing it. And the next thing is, now that we're done with this one, is that you can see here at the top you have the palette button. So you can use that to design your form. So you can customize the font right here and the font size. You can also go for the header right here. So this is basically where you most likely will put your logo right here. You can go for insert, and then you can also choose the color of your design if you want. This is the color of your form, so you can go for green right here, and then with a white background. And now we're gonna go click or tap on apply. And now, as you can see, it has now been changed right here. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is. And then the next one is, once you are done with this one and then you want to test it out, then what I suggest is that you want to tap on the three dots right here, and you want to tap on preview so that you would be able to see it from the perspective of your participants. And then once you're done and you're satisfied with all of this right here, now you can go and send it to your participants by tapping on this paper airplane button right here, the send button right there. And then you can send them to it via email. You can provide your email right here. You can provide the subject and the message that you would like. And then you can also go for the link. If you just want to send them the link, then you can go for this option. So yeah, that is basically it on this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.